Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you buy something for somebody off of Amazon and you want to give them a gift receipt with it. And you can do this either print a receipt, a gift receipt out for them, or you can actually just send it to them electronically. So if we want to do that, it's real easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, we're just going to obviously go to Amazon and we're going to log into our account. And once we're logged into our account, if we click up here on accounts and lists, then we can come over here and click on your orders. And if we go to your orders, it will give us all of our past orders. And then you'll see on the right, you have all these different things that you can do with these orders. And one of them that you can do is share a gift receipt. So if you just click right here on the share a gift receipt, it'll take you to this page. And then from there, you can share a gift receipt electronically with this link. You can just copy this link and send it to somebody and it will give them a gift receipt, or you can just download a PDF and send them that PDF or print it out and give it to them or whatever. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.